May Allah bless you with all the love and happiness that your heart can hold. I pray that Allah strengthens our love for each other and our faith in Him. May He keep us together for an eternity. May Allah's love and guidance shine upon you and your family on this auspicious occasion. Wishing you and your loved ones a blessed Eid. May this beautiful occasion of Eid gives you all the reason to make your life even more beautiful. Wishing you a happy Eid day. May you find Allah's blessings and guidance in every step of your life. You make every day feel like Eid to me with your love and affection. May this Eid bring us even closer and fill our hearts with love and romance. May Allah accept all your prayers and grant you forgiveness. May this special day fill your life with joy and happiness. May these blessings of Allah be with you and your family forever and always. May the magic of this Eid bring lots of happiness in your life. May Allah place mercy upon all the Muslims all around the world. May Allah fulfill all your dreams and hopes. Wishing you a happy Eid celebration full of fun and cheer. I wish the love, prosperity and happiness of Eid always be with you.